welcome back po tayo sa ating pagbibigay ng tips and konting mga overviews. Next, under classroom management, ito po ang ating tanong. Which is the most effective way to deal with a disruptive student? Disruptive student. Magulo, nakakagulo na sa klase. Parang kung minsan hindi ka na makapag-proceed sa lesson mo kasi nga, laging na-epal itong isang estudyante na to. Okay. Ano po ang most effective? So guys, gusto ko po gamitin natin yung technique na sinabi ko kanina, yung finding words that are not supposed to be in the answer. Okay, looking for negative words, let's eliminate them all. Letter A, send the student out of the room immediately. Meron ba tayong ganun? Anong negative dyan?
Ma'am, yung send out.
Yung send,
Yes.
ma'am.
Very good. Send out.
Send.
Okay, not good. Very good. Next, letter B. What word?
Ignore po, ma'am.
Ignore na naman. At saka ano?
Ignore, ma'am.
Completely. Very good. Okay, how about letter C? Meron ba?
Wala, ma'am.
Wala. Letter D.
Meron, ma'am.
Punish. Okay.
Punish.
Panis. Ayaw natin ng panis. Okay. Ayan po. There you go. See? Just eliminating the negative words, we already have an answer. And your answer is address
Letter C.
behavior privately and
Strictly and calmly.
very good. Okay. Perfect. Okay? When we make mistakes po kasi, actually, mistakes are blessings because they allow you to learn. Okay? Kung ganun kayo okay, basta pag nadapa po tayo, bangon lang po lagi. +1. So tuloy po tayo. Under EdTech, Educational Technology. Ang tanong, what is the main purpose of using instructional media in the classroom? Okay, ano daw po ang main, ayun, keyword natin? Anong keyword? Main purpose, okay, is a keyword, or a phrase of using, instructional media in the classroom. Ayan po. Instructional media daw po. Bakit kailangan nating gumamit ng instructional media in the classroom? Ano kaya ang dahilan? Okay guys, so pwede kaya natin gamitin yung negative words? Pwede pa rin. Magtanggal tayo guys. Alin dyan sa mga yan ang may mga negative words na pwede nating tanggalin. Letter A, to entertain students. May hindi ba tugma doon sa purpose natin ng pagtuturo dyan sa phrase? To entertain students. What word? Ayun.
Entertain po, ma'am.
Hindi po tayo entertainer. Okay. Yung mga media po natin, instructional media, like for example, kung minsan may pinapakita tayong video, hindi po para aliwin ang mga bata. Okay, hindi po yun yung purpose. Okay. How about letter B? Ang sabi, to fill time in the lesson. Ang haba kasi ng 1 hour, coach, kaya nagpa-video na lang ako para medyo magamit naman yung iba pang time. Ayan, sayang naman. Di ba? Pangpuno. Ano pa yung word natin? Fill.
Fill time.
Okay. Actually, dito hindi. Pwede pong fill time or pwede ring typo yan. Actually, baka kill time yan. Pero sabi fill time Okay, sige. So, fill the time. Okay, hindi po ganun, no? Hindi natin ginagamit to na parang para lang hindi tayo mag-dismiss agad. Okay? Para hindi maingay yung klase. Alright. How about letter C? To enhance teaching and learning. Maganda po ba lahat ang sinasabi niyan? Maganda. Positive o enhance.
Wala, ma'am.
How about letter D? To make the class less noisy. Okay. Okay naman Di ba? Okay naman
okay
yung
naman siya.
para hindi siya nag-iingay. Pero, alin ang mas matimbang?
Out of ano na po siya, instruction.
Okay. Alin ang mas matimbang? To enhance
Letter C,
teaching?
ma'am. Enhance
Okay.
Enhance teaching and learning.
There you go. So dito naman sa question na to, kung papansinin nyo, meron talagang several choices na possible answers. Kaya lang, isa lang sa kanila ang mas matimbang. Okay. Ang hinanap natin, main purpose. Bakit nga ba tayo gumagamit ng instructional media? To enhance teaching and learning. Okay. Ayan po. So, effective pa rin po yung ating words, no? Yung mga pagtanggal ng mga words na hindi dapat na ginagawa sa classroom. Alright. Moving on, we have teaching strategies. Okay, sabi, which strategy involves students working together in small groups to achieve a common goal? Keywords tayo, keywords. Which strategy involves students working together in small groups to achieve a common goal? Working,
Together.
ano po? Together. Ayan, working together in small groups daw po na ano? Na mag-achieve ng common goal. Ayan po, may common goal po sila. So marami po sila nagkakaisa, working together to achieve a common goal. Ayan po. Ayan, so pwede ka rin mag-drawing, mag-illustrate. Ano daw po ito? Mag-lecture ka, individual tasking, cooperative learning, drill and practice. Always remember, okay? Working together to achieve common goal. Okay. Pag nag-lecture ka ba, are you working together? Hindi.
No.
Teacher lang naman ang
Hindi po, teacher
nagsasalita.
lang.
Okay. Ano ang letter B? Anong nagpamali dito? Anong word?
Individual.
Individual. Eh sabi working together. How about cooperative learning? Is this good?
Yes,
Is this
ma'am.
working together? Very good. Drill and practice.
No.
Pwede rin po kasi siyang
Pwede rin po.
individual.
Pwede rin. Pero, nasaan
Pwede
dyan
po
ang
siyang
working
individual,
together?
Wala, ma'am.
Wala. Okay.
Individual.
So wala po dyan yung working together. Pero pwede po tayong mag-drill and practice together. Kaya lang, hindi po siya nakaano doon sa, alam niyo,
Align.
yung sama-sama. Oo, kasi pwedeng mag-isa ka mag-drill, mag-practice, or pwedeng sama-sama. Ayan. So ito, ano siya, vague or hindi, incomplete, no? Complete thought. Pero okay na po tayo sa C. Happy na ba tayo dito?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
po. Alright. So, yan po ang ating sagot. At hindi rin po si letter D. There you go. Okay? So, ano pa rin ang pinaka-technique natin? Keywords pa rin. And then,
Yes.
relating the keywords to the choices. Looking for the words that make it wrong so that we can eliminate them. Ayan. Okay. So, dito sa letter C, ang nakita nating word is cooperative. Is cooperative the same as working together? Yes, ayun po. Okay, ayan. Okay, so that ends my lecture for tonight. I hope that you were able to ang tawag nito, learn from the very short na pag-digest natin ng ilang mga Gen Ed items and Prof Ed items of different subjects, no? So, madami-dami pa, dami-dami pa talaga. Pero pinili ko lang yung mga pwede nating mapag-usapan at matutunan ngayong gabi. So, I hope that you can join us in more evening sessions, okay? That might give you an idea also of what PRV can offer you. Okay po.